for their cases. So we are waiting for that court to give a date for the bail application to be heard. Unfortunately, and I mean this unfortunately, the police filed a counter in a case that shouldn't have come to court in the first place. And that is why we are suspicious that even when you have a new police inspector general, they are not different from the old ones. Because they're just all part and parcel of the old system of oppression. So that's where we are. But I also need to report to you that BLord is doing well. He's not sick, and he will be out. And he's ready and prepared mentally for whenever he's out.
As a lawyer, I must allow the wise counsel of the judge to prevail in this case because the court is already seized with the matter. I can only comment fairly on it or nothing at all. So we are all watching. I believe my lords, they are very wise in their counsel and justice must prevail. So Sowore has now in his recent statement said that BLord lawyers, they have filed an application for his bail. However, the police through the prosecution filed a counter. If you don't understand what this means, in high courts, bail application is brought through a motion, unlike magistrate courts that you can do oral application. That one is allowed. Immediately after the person is arraigned, you can apply for bail orally. But if it's high court, federal high court, and all of that, you have to do that through a motion. So if they are just bringing the application, that means the bail has not been granted yet. And if the police, through the prosecution, filed a counter, what that means is that they are opposing the bail. My question is, does BLord actually pose a flight risk? Bail simply means a temporary release securing the defendant's appearance in court pending the determination of the case. So it's not like they are letting the person go free. It's more like we are securing this person's presence while the person is on temporary release. Do you understand me? That's why we have sureties before bail is perfected. You understand? So I believe now that they are doing the back and forth, the court will rule on that in its discretion. The court in its discretion will deliver a fair ruling on those applications. What I know is that offense is bailable.